Good day, folks. Brent Barnett here with Vancouver Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's premier yacht sales network. Here today shooting a 360 video. What that'll allow you to do is it's going to allow you to scroll around the vessel. You can zoom in, zoom out. You don't have to continue to look at me. Have a look around this beautiful boat we have here to feature. So today I'm introducing you folks to a 1991 Crestliner Sabre. It's 22 feet. This boat is 1991 as for the hull. So what the current owner has done is he's done a major refit of this boat from the hull up. It does come, the biggest thing it does come with is the new power, which is Evinrude, 150 horse on that. The extended warranty on the repowered motor, it's a 2018, and the warranty's good until 2028. So if you're looking to get into an aluminum fishing vessel, this is prime. As you can see, he's done the cabin area here, all enclosed. It does come with a Roadrunner 5200 bunk trailer with double axle, electric hydraulic stainless disc brakes on her. So in June 2018 is when all the work was done on it. The aluminum insulated enclosed cabin with a very large V-berth. Let's just go take you down inside there, just so you can see how much room you have in here. So I can sit in here and I have the headroom still, which is awesome. So this is quite the double berth. Obviously the pad comes down to make a complete bed. Lots of great storage under her. See back there we've got the Shockwave seats on both sides. The wood paneling is covered with vinyl, commercial grade, cabin interior trimmed with 20-year-old air-dried fur, 6 coats of spray varnish, as you can see on there. New waterproof vinyl flooring, new cabinets, all cushions have new foam, better than factory, covered with umbrella material. Shore power receptacle, that's out back. The kicker is a 1994 Yamaha 9.9 high thrust kicker. Electric start controls are in the cabin. The beam on her is 8 feet. The max draft is 1.5 feet, and the length overall is 21 feet. Let's just take you back here, so you can see the cockpit area here. So as you can see, it's just a solid aluminum boat here. If you were to look into the market at aluminum boats, you'd be looking at big dollars. This is a great way to get into an entry-level aluminum boat at a very affordable price. This boat is built for the West Coast and the waters out here, and just has all the great attributes that you would want in a fishing vessel. So folks, if you'd like to have a showing of the boat itself, please call me at 236-688-6828. You can check out our website. It'll have all the other details. I've got 360 pictures, a lot of still pictures to showcase the outside. As you can see right now, it's all winterized. It's all tarped up right now. Or you can email me at brent@vancouveryachtsales.com. Hope you enjoyed it. Love to see you come check out this boat and get you out on the water and catching some of those salmons. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching.